Alright, stop scrolling, because this right here might be the most important compact luxury SUV BMW has ever built. This is the all-new 2026 BMW X1, and BMW is clearly saying one thing: we're done playing safe. From the aggressive new face to a tech-loaded interior to smarter engines, today I'll break down why this X1 feels way more expensive than it actually is. Let's start from the front. The first thing you notice is the bigger, more upright kidney grille. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to look confident. Slim LED headlights with sharp DRL signature, cleaner, more aggressive front bumper, stronger shoulder lines on the side, a longer roofline that improves rear space. From the rear, the full-width LED taillight design instantly makes it look wider. This X1 doesn't look cute anymore, it looks serious. Now step inside, and this is where things get interesting. BMW basically took the interior philosophy from the X5 and iX and shrunk it down. You get a curved dual-screen setup, digital instrument cluster, large central infotainment display, latest BMW iDrive system, minimalist dashboard with premium trim, ambient lighting that actually feels upscale. The steering wheel is thicker, sportier, and modern. The center console is cleaner with fewer buttons, but better logic. Front seats, sporty but comfortable. Rear seats, noticeably more legroom than before. Panoramic glass roof makes the cabin feel bigger. Rear passengers get proper air vents and charging ports. This no longer feels like a small BMW. It feels like a real luxury SUV. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. 1.5-liter turbo 3-cylinder, base model. 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder, higher trims. Mild hybrid technology for better efficiency. Estimated output: around 170 to 240 horsepower, depending on version. Transmission: 7-seat dual-clutch automatic. Drivetrain: front-wheel drive standard, xDrive all-wheel drive available. This X1 isn't built to be a track car. It's built to be quick, smooth, and confident, especially in daily driving. Behind the wheel, the X1 still feels like a BMW. Steering is sharp for an SUV. Suspension balances comfort and control, very stable at highway speeds. Quiet cabin even at higher RPM. It's not trying to be sporty all the time. It's trying to be effortlessly good. BMW loads this thing with tech. Key features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, and smart parking assist. This is one of the smartest compact SUVs BMW has ever made. Now let's talk numbers. Estimated starting price, around $42,000. Higher trims with xDrive and full options can reach $50,000 plus. Yes, it's more expensive than before, but it also feels one full class higher. Direct competitors: Mercedes-Benz GLA, Audi Q3, Volvo XC40, Lexus NX, and honestly, the 2026 BMW X1 might have the best balance between design, tech, performance, and brand value. So if you're shopping for a compact luxury SUV in 2026, ignoring the new BMW X1 would be a mistake. It looks better, it feels more premium, it drives like a BMW should. This is no longer just the smallest BMW SUV. This is BMW raising the standard. So what do you think? Is the 2026 BMW X1 the new king of compact luxury SUVs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.